Degen decentralized futures trading with Equation. Let's boost your DeFi profits. Welcome back. You are watching the CryptoExpress channel, and today we are covering the platform Equation. So Equation is the next generation of decentralized perpetual exchange. Up to 200x leverage, no sign up or deposit required. If we take a look at some of these stats, 454 million in trading volume, 87 million in open interest, and over 580 million in leverage liquidity. So some of the benefits of Equation is lower liquidation risk with higher leverage. Compared to a standard perpetual protocol, the maintenance margin could be as high as 6.25%, where with Equation, it is just 0.25%. And the maximum leverage here, we can get all the way up to 200x. You can leverage boosts LP returns. LPs can provide liquidity with leverage and enjoy liquidity mining rewards plus a share of trading fees. Based on our novel BRMM model, LPs can significantly improve their capital efficiency by providing liquidity with leverage. And a fair launch, EQU is the native token of Equation, with a maximum supply of 10 million, 100% of which is generated through position mining, liquidity mining, and referral mining, rewarding the community users. The initial daily emission of EQU is 10,000, and this figure can be adjusted via the DAO. So every single day, if you hold a position in the contract with Equation, you are allowed a share of 50% of the daily released EQU. So now if we actually go into the platform UI, equation.trade, this is on the Arbitrum network. So bear that one in mind. You may need to bridge over some Ethereum if you don't have any already on Arbitrum. So now on the Equation UI, we have many different tabs: trade, markets, pools, earn, referrals, and more. So I have a dedicated referral invite link that you can use. This gives you 10% off trading fees and a 1.1 times boosted multiplier for liquidity mining. It is linked down below. My code is Express. Yes, that code is Express. Be sure to use this, as again, you'll get these discounts and a boosted multiplier for the liquidity mining. So on Equation, again, we have many different features. You can trade, which here will allow you to long and short different tokens. These can be Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, ARB, OP, Matic, AVAX, and Link. So we can open a test position. Here I have 10 USDT. So on the right, we have market and limit orders. Again, if you are familiar with trading, you will understand these. Now, hold the position can get EQU. Now, the EQ value of 22U, the total lot volume of 324K in this period of time rose well. So I think we might do a long position here for 10 USDT. Here is a leverage slider. So we can go from 1x leverage all the way up to 200x leverage. Again, leverage can be risky, so always bear that one in mind. For this example, let's do 10x leverage. So first, I will just need to approve my wallet for the spend, and then we can open this long position. Here we can see approval successful, and we need to approve the operation one time here, which is just one more confirmation on the blockchain. And now that approval has been successful, we can open our long position. So there we can see my ETH USDT long position. This has been accepted with my size. Again, remember we are using the 10x leverage and my acceptable price. So here we have the size entry, my margin, liquidation price, and my unrealized profit and loss. So we will let this position run open. Again, I am only testing with $10. So this again is something that I am willing to lose worst case. But now we'll take a look at the other features on Equation and come back to this. So the markets gives us a full overview of the price, index, and 24-hour change with funding and open interest of each of these pairs. And of course, I can see my positions in here. In the pools here, we can actually stake positions for some nice APRs. So ETH USDT, we can get a max APR of 41.21%. Here we can see the EQU max APR is 35, and you get a trading fee max APR of 5.77. So combined, we get that 41. And these go as high as 82% with the Link USDT pair. But the main thing I want to cover in the earn section here is the EQU mining. You can get some crazy current yields with the position mining. So quick statistics. The EQU, we have total emissions at over 300,000, and same with claims, 11,000 in burned, and the current emissions are 10,000 per day. Here you'll be able to see your staking if you want to stake some EQU, but position mining is where we get these nice yields. Once we get this to load, I will show you how crazy some of the current yields you can get. Now look at these average APRs you can earn, all the way up to 861 APR on average. Remember, that is average. And if you use that maximum 200x leverage, this could be over 21,000%. So with the position mining, that you can actually mine at zero cost. One thing you can do is, while you have a mining position, you can open up long and short positions to hedge your position. Also, you can set up some stop losses for far from the liquidation price, so you can always be safe. And of course, I would avoid very high leverage if you don't know what you are doing. So this other arbitrage opportunity is between Equation and other CEX platforms. Due to the BRMM mechanism, during some intense market price fluctuations, the prices on Equation tends to experience smaller fluctuations, which will create an arbitrage opportunity between Equation and these other platforms. So again, be sure to use my referral link. You enter it in this section here. My link is the code EXPRESS. We can take another quick look at my trading position to see how we are doing. I'm not too sure on the market. Okay, we're down about 1%, which isn't too bad. Here we can see my open position. So of course, you could double down, you could set up a take profit or a stop loss on your position. However, I would just close this one here. It was nice to just test out the platform. So we can close it with the maximum amount. And our profit and loss, we're down 7 cents, which again is really nothing in the long run of things. But I hope you did enjoy Equation. Remember to use my referral link down below in the description to get those benefits. Check it out. Look at the earn program with these position mining because you can get some very nice yield. Thanks for watching. This has been the Crypto Express channel, and I will see you again shortly.